my YouTube channel. It's Ruby. I'm sure some of you might be wondering where I've been. The last video I made was like a year ago, literally last February. But the thing is that, you know how life is, you say you want to do one thing and then life just starts to like overwhelm you and all of that. But yeah, so I'm trying to, get back into YouTube now. So today's video is basically me just, coming back, introducing myself again and what I do. Let you guys know what kind of content to expect from me, and to tell you that I will not be away for that long again, I promise. So we'll crack on with today's video. It's very short. It's just to like set your expectations straight. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and Happy Valentine's Day in advance as well. So just keep watching, and then we'll just go into what the video would be. So it's literally a very short video. So yeah, thank you. Okay, so before I get into today's video to like talk about my content, I'd like to talk about what I've got on, on my face and what I'm wearing today. So for people who know me, they know that I'm not really a makeup fan. I'm more of like a natural person. But since I came across the Fenty Beauty Eaze blurring skin tint, I've literally sworn by it because it's so good. This is like the 4th time I'm using it now, and it's been so nice. So my shade is in shade 14. So I've got that on with some Laura Mercier setting powder, some highlight, my eyebrows done and my lashes done as well. And then I just filled in my brows. That's it, literally. And when I wear it, I literally have it for like 12 hours straight and no crack or anything. I think it works for like dry to normal skin. I don't have oily skin, so I can't really say how it would tell on oily skin. But the only problem I have with it is that it's not got SPF in it, so I have to wear sunscreen before I use it. So that's it for my face. Okay, and that's it for what I've got on my face. So I've got some lip gloss on and Vaseline. For my hair, I've got these bundles from Hair by Ginika. So this is a 5x5 frontal wig, 5x5 closure wig. I think this is like wig Ruby or wig Jessie, one of the two of them, and it's in like 20 or 22 inches, I can't remember. But my skincare routine, I use VSP Botanics. So if you would like me to post a tutorial on what my skincare routine is like, just give me a shout in the comments. I'll do that for you. And if you also want me to post a tutorial on how I achieve this look, like with the tinted moisturizer, leave a comment as well and I'll get that for you. And we could help ourselves out. So if you've got tips for me, let me know as well. And if I've got tips, I will let you know as well. So that's it for, I think that should be it for the entire look for it anyways. But yeah, I'll just crack on with the video now and let you guys know I'm here. Okay, so as most people would have noticed, like people who subscribe to my channel before, I've taken down my old videos because I watched them again and I was like, what is going on here? Like why am I seeing all of this and why do I look this way? So I had to take everything down and I'm starting again from scratch. So the content to expect from me basically lifestyle tutorials. I talk about football sometimes as well, and if there's anything you would like me to address, I would address this for you as well. But I know that my first video would probably be me moving to England from Nigeria. That's what I want to talk about. That's the challenges that I faced, the tips that have helped me in all 7 years I've lived here now. I feel like that video would help a lot of people. So if you want me to talk about that in my next video, please leave a comment below as well and tell me what you would like me to address when talking about this my experience. Okay, and the final thing I'd like to say is, again, I would not leave for a year again, I promise. Like, I'll be here as often as I can, and if you've got any content for me to post, if you want me to address something, please let me know. I would gladly include it in my video. So yeah, thanks for watching my channel today. Make sure you like, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment, leave your feedback. My social media handles are the same as my YouTube channel name, so it's all Ruby Lauren on Instagram and on Twitter as well. If you've got any feedback for me, anything you would like me to address more, please let me know in the comment section or send me a DM. Thank you so much. I hope to see you all in my next video. Again, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment. Thank you so much guys for having me back. I can't even get my words out right, but yeah, thank you so much. Short video. Have a lovely day. Bye.